Good morning, children. Yesterday we studied Mysore division. In Mysore division, there are many developments because it is said to be Mysore division is a very rich division because of it contains rich districts. Those 8 districts are rich in many big rivers that flow and give many occupations for the people of Mysore division. And who caused all these developments to construct the industries, agriculture, for all these fields? Who is contributed? I said, no, children, he is none other than Sir M. Vishwesvaraya. So today I want to say some more about Sir M. Vishwesvaraya. He is the founder of our state's industrial sector, not only for Mysore division. He implemented the forethought of Krishnaraja Raghav Odeya 4. What he said, if we don't establish industries now, we cannot attain progress. At that time, before independence and after independence, that time, he established the industries in Bangalore and Mysore division. Big industries have been established in places like Bengaluru, Bhadravati, Tumukuru, Shivamogga and other places. Bangalore is the most important industrial place in our India. So it is said to be now brain of our India. Many industries are there. There is an iron and steel industry in Bhadravati of Shivamogga district. You have to visit this iron and steel industry in Bhadravati. It was established in the year 1923, before freedom, before our independence of India. In 1923 it was established in Bhadravati. It is now called as Vishwesvaraya Iron and Steel Industries Limited. You must visit it. There is a paper production factory here. It was established in 1936. Not only iron and steel industry, there is paper factory also in Bhadravati. The Birla Cement factory is in Ammasandra of Tumukuru division. Tumukuru district has Birla Cement factory. So these are all industries established by Sir M. Vishwesvaraya. Bengaluru is known for the information technology and biotechnology industries. Industries are the main source of employment. By industry, there are many occupations that people got at that time. Through industries, people get many employments. This is a source of employment for the people. Karnataka is ranked second in the export of garments in India. The government has established apparel parks in cities like Doddaballapura, Anekal to promote the production of ready-made garments. So, our Karnataka stood second rank for the export of garments. Due to these apparel parks, means important cities, Doddaballapura and Anekal cities. And also industries like aeronautics, electronics, information technology and biotechnology are active in the Bangalore. Which are the industries in the Bangalore? Aeronautics, electronics, biotechnology and information technology. So Bangalore is known as the brain of our India. Almost all the industries are established in India and it is giving many employments, occupations for people of our Karnataka. Some of these industries are public companies and many are private companies. Okay, this is about Sir M. Vishwesvaraya. So he caused the development of industries in our Karnataka. Let us come back to Mysore division. There is much about to read in the Bangalore division, students, about education and health, about cinema industry, art, literature and folklore, theatre and dance. There is much more about to tell about the Bangalore division. This all you have to read in the textbook, from the textbook. There are many places that you can visit. Siddhganga Math in Tumukuru, Lal Bagh, Kabban Park, Many parks are there, many gardens are there. So Bangalore is also said to be garden city, city of gardens. Many gardens are there. Okay.